As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, a share cost will hit $10 by the center of 2023, and afterward $20 by the center of 2027. A share will ascend to $25 inside the time of 2029. A share value expectation 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $9.80. So the cost expanded by 63% from the outset of the year. The anticipated a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $12.91, and the year-to-year change plus 115%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 32%. In 2023, we hope to see $11.87 per one a share. In the principal half of 2024, the a share cost will move to $14.03. In the last part, the cost would lose 40 cents and close the year at $13.63, which is plus 39% to the ongoing cost. The figure for later close to days and months. Wednesday, blemish $19.82. Thursday, blemish $29.83. Friday, blemish $39.85. Saturday, blemish $49.87. Sunday, blemish $59.88. Monday, blemish $69.90. Tuesday, blemish $79.92. Wednesday, blemish $89.93. March 15 $10.05. April 15 $10.58. May 15 $11.09. June 15 $11.62. July 15 $11.95. August 15 $12.13 a share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $13.63 to $25.83, which is up 90%. A share will begin 2025 at $13.63, then, at that point, take off to $16.08 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $18.49. That implies plus 89% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the a share cost would ascend from $25.83 to $36.73, which is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $25.83, then take off to $27.38 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $28.92. It is about plus 195% from today. A share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $10.86. So the cost expanded by 81% from the start of the year. The gauge a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $13.34, and the year-to-year change plus 122%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 23%. In 2023, we hope to see $12.27 per one a share. In the primary portion of 2024, the a share cost will move to $14.50. In the final part, the cost would lose 42 cents and close the year at $14.08, which is plus 30% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $14.08 to $26.66, which is up 89%. A share will begin 2025 at $14.08, then take off to $16.61 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $19.10. That implies plus 76% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the a share cost would ascend from $26.66 to $37.89, which is plus 42%. A share will begin 2030 at $26.66, then take off to $28.26 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $29.85. It is about plus 175% from today. 1/15/2023 a share value forecast 2023 to 2024. A share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $9.13. So the cost expanded by 52% from the very start of the year. The determined a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.15, and the year-to-year change plus 153%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 66%. In 2023, we hope to see $13.63 per 1 a share. In the main portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $16.30. In the last part, the cost would add $3.67 and close the year at $19.97, which is plus 119% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029, these 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $19.97 to $35.38, which is up 77%. A share will begin 2025 at $19.97, then, at that point, take off to $23.56 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $27.09. That implies plus 197% from today. A share expectation 2030 to 2034, in this period, the share cost would ascend from $35.38 to $46.58, which is plus 32%. A share will begin 2030 at $35.38, then, at that point, take off to $37.50 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $39.61. It is about plus 334% from today. 1/1/2023 a share value expectation 2023 to 2024 a share cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, a share exchanged at $5.98. So the cost diminished by 0% from the outset of the year. The anticipated a share cost toward the finish of 2023 is $11.08, and the year-to-year change plus 85%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 85%. In 2023, we hope to see $9.97 per 1 a share. In the primary portion of 2024, the share cost will move to $11.92. In the last part, the cost would add $2.68 and close the year at $14.60, which is plus 144% to the ongoing cost. A share expectation 2025 to 2029, these 5 years would bring an increment. A share cost would move from $14.60 to $25.87, which is up 77%. A share will begin 2025 at $14.60, then, at that point, take off to $17.23 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2025 at $19.81. That implies plus 231% from today. A share forecast 2030 to 2034, in this period, the share cost would ascend from $25.87 to $34.06, which is plus 32%. A share will begin 2030 at $25.87, then, at that point, take off to $27.42 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $28.96. It is about plus 384% from today. 12/15/2022 a share value expectation 2022 to 2023